Hi, trying to sort out a ticket for going from Mulheim over to Essen, which will involve one change. If you look at the screen, the first thing you notice is obviously in German, so you straight go to English. There is the idea of single tickets or day tickets. The single tickets you'd assume would be cheaper, but in reality they don't work out that much better. Also, if you really want a single ticket, you have to go down to here. You say a single ticket for zones, or come back to the zone bit. But what you'll notice is you can only do it for a single ticket for one person, which means that if you've got two people travelling, it will be more expensive. You can, if you know you're going to go there, just come back and you're on your own, a single ticket would be better. Bear in mind that there's a certain amount of time in which you can use this for. They go 20 minutes, 2 hours, 3 hours, and so on. It's enough, so don't buy your ticket well beforehand for your return. For return, buy it just before you set off. In nearly every case, particularly if there's two of you travelling, go for the day tickets. It'll keep on coming out of this. It doesn't give you much time. Okay, so me and Chantal, there's two of us. We're going around zone B's, so we'll go day ticket B for two people, and this is the price. And you get one ticket stub, but that covers two different people. And obviously it could be free for the actual increase in price is very little as you add more people on, so it's actually really good value for money. As I said, as soon as there's two or more, you always go for a day ticket over a single ticket. If you happen to be very lucky and you're really close to your hotel's really close, there is a short stop ticket. Now this is only valid for 20 minutes and it's only for 3 stops, and it's one of these K tickets. So if I click on there, see it's quite cheap, only 1.6 euros, but it is only 3 stops. I assume you could probably do that, jump off, buy another ticket for 3 stops, go again, but that'd be a lot of hassle. But if you're maybe only 4, 5, 6 stops away, it would work. But bear in mind, yet again, when a ticket is started, it's only valid for a certain amount of time, and for these it's 20 minutes. Okay, but now I think we need to get 2 tickets for zone B. The way the zoning works, and I hopefully bring up a graphic for this, is it's all about distance you're going to travel from your starting point where you buy the ticket. So in this case, we're going from Mulheim to Essen. Because it's a little bit further away, it's actually a ticket category B. If you're in this Essen city, almost certain you're going to be a category A. But there's a little app you can use which can check this. When we went from the airport at Dusseldorf to Essen, we had to go a lot further. That was actually a category C. At this point, you just literally put your money in and away you go. So I'm going to get my 20 euros note. Oh, and look, I was a little bit slow. They are not very patient for time. You might find this when you're buying goods. They don't give you very long to pay for them. There we go. Like I said, I'll get my change and there'll just be a single ticket. As you can see, 2 people, that's the price. And you just need to keep this with you. You'll notice very, very few train inspectors. There's no barriers, nothing you have to swipe into or out of. That's fine. But if you get caught, the penalties are extremely severe. That's how they govern or police this. Very severe penalties, but it's unlikely to get caught. But I would not take the risk if I was you in a foreign country. Well, thank you very much. Cheers. Bye.